So I don't have fear concerning Ngozi Orabeze. If she will be careful on personal security. And the person that we enter, I think, is less than a month now. Or a month now, the top will be swearing in. I don't understand. And if Ngozi Orabeze is based in America, Donald Trump is a man who have vowed that whosoever is fighting for freedom in a just way, we get the freedom. And remember, the main strong Biafran lobbyists are Americans. I don't think that our lobbyists will be there. Ngozi Orabeze will be arrested. Whom Nigeria is petitioning, whom Nigeria was shouting, was nnamdikanu and Samuel Ekpa. When they come to shout for another person again, the whole world will ask them, what's wrong with you?
Are you sure?
What is your? It will be a disgrace. On one topic, you hold the first person. On one topic, you go for the second person. On one topic, you go to another person. They will ask you, all these things, why can't you be able to win one?
I don't know winning.
They're not winning.
They
They are battling, but they're not winning. But that's what I'm saying. And remember, the case of Ngozi Orabeze, if they go against her, it will be a different. Because all those advanced nations honored women. They give women adequate respect. I'm telling you honestly, had it been someone Ekpa is a woman, the case will not have reached like this. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So, and the United States of America, for their own independence, they are human rights champion. They are doing that championing human rights cause. And the United Nations know much what was happening. The Bafra government in exile headquarters is in the United States of America. And I am sure after some people have come out, that headquarters will be officially open. You see people working there. But one thing we have to tell Ngozi Orabeze, she should be careful. She should be careful. Because enemies have already growing against her, even among the Biafrans. She should be careful of higher assassin. She should be careful of kidnapping. But before anything will happen, some people will be out. And before Nigeria government will now start to thinking, planning to do what? To go against Ngozi Orabeze. I think the game is over. The game will be over. Look at how many years it took them before they were able to reach where they reached against Samuel Ekpa. Since 2021, they'll be crying, Samuel Ekpa, Samuel Ekpa, Samuel Ekpa, until 2024. How many years? Almost 4 years. Do you think that they can succeed blaspheming or opening Ngozi Orabeze in within 1 year? It cannot. Before it would reach 2 years or 3 years, Biafra have stand. They cannot do Ngozi Orabeze anything. But I said, Ngozi Orabeze should be careful. Know whom you relate to. Know the type of phone call you pick. Know the type of area she's going. Because if Nigeria discover that whomsoever they took to court, the government or whomsoever they say arrest, if ever the person arrest, investigation will go on and say these people are free. They are operating under United Nations Charter. Therefore, whatever they will do, even if at all, is to get that person, give that person injection, that person will die slowly, gradually, the sickness diminishing gradually. They will do it. Do you understand what I'm saying? Turn like this, turn like this. My guy is coming. I don't want you to see me. Do you understand what I'm saying? So as I said, she should be careful. Because if they cannot hold you by law, they cannot hold you by any other means. That's it. So I don't have fear concerning Ngozi Orabeze. If she will be careful on personal security. And the person that we enter, I think it's less than a month now, or a month now, the top will be swearing in. I don't understand. And if Ngozi is based in America, Donald Trump is a man who have vowed that whosoever is fighting for freedom in a just way will get the freedom. And remember, the main strong Biafran lobbyists are Americans. I don't think that our lobbyists will be there because Ngozi will be arrested. I don't think. You understand?
But we're talking as a, you know, as an ex-politician, if allegedly ex-military person, they still arrested him, even when we thought he could not be, you know, arrested for this long.
And now you see what happened to Simon Ekpa. Finland just do it to please Nigeria and to justify Simon Ekpa. Finland do it to keep their record clean, to please Nigeria and to justify Simon Ekpa. Three things. Not that they want to do it because Simon Ekpa is a criminal. They want to do so that Nigeria will stop troubling them. Because they know that at the end, Simon Ekpa will come out as a free man. They Finland already know. But they just do it as a to be the joker of the year. The year is ending. To be the joker of the year. You understand? But you see, and the American Congress have already having Biafra in mind, putting eye into Biafran case. So I don't think that the American Congress will be there. Or should be arrested by any law, whether federal law or state law in America. You understand? So, but all we are praying, let her be alive, and let someone else come out. I'm telling you honestly, within a period of 1 year, Biafra will fully recognize.
Within a period of 1 year.
Of 1 year, Biafra will fully recognize. Okay, look at the war in Ukraine. Do you know why the war in Ukraine is still lasting? Because America is still supporting Ukraine. Immediately America withdraw from Ukraine, EU and NATO will come down. You understand? America is the police of the world as of today. Even Putin have been saying that he is ready to enter into negotiation with America concerning Ukraine. And who is he talking to? He's talking about Donald Trump, not about Joe Biden. Joe Biden is one worsening the thing between the war between Ukraine and America. In the name of war, I mean Ukraine and Russia. Worsening the war, not America. Worsening the war between Ukraine and Russia in the name of America. But his own personal interest and his allies, their personal interest, because they are making gain from the war in Ukraine. They are making a huge amount of profit. Arms country now will be laughing home with billions of dollars in their accounts. But Donald Trump said, if I enter, it will stop. And to push both Europe and Russia, including Ukraine, EU, Russia, including Ukraine, are looking towards now onto America, under the control of Donald Trump, to bring the war to an end. And if America rise up in favor of Nigeria, in favor of Biafra, no nation again can be against Biafra. And the minute America will recognize Biafra, other nations will follow suit. Already, there are so many nations now that have already recognized Biafra, but they were on the ground, waiting for a nation like America to first of all make open announcement. Therefore, if such type of thing happen within 6 months, Donald Trump swear in, when will Nigeria gather themselves to go against Ngozi? I think this Simon Ekpa case will be the last case of different leaders and the Nigerian government. And the Simon case will be the case that will bring nnamdikanu out. Let us watch and see. I think they say that they will release nnamdikanu. Let Simon Ekpa be arrested. Now, if Simon Ekpa be arrested and this gate is clean, I will know what will stop them not to release nnamdikanu.
Because Finland have vindicated you.
See, Finland have justified Simon Ekpa. The case is boomerang against Nigeria. Do you understand?
Okay, but lastly, do you think that with this now, CJS Musa, because we've heard that recently, the killing there in the southeast is even getting worse. Do you not think this will even now make him more aggrieved or agitated the more to now go for Ngozi? Because they know that she's the one in control now. Because if the killing there keeps increasing and they say it's no longer Samuel Ekpa, do you not think they will go for the next person?
Okay, is Ngozi Arabese a murderer? Ngozi Arabese that chief defense staff will go. Is Ngozi Arabese the one piloting Tucano jet, dropping bomb in churches, in primary school, in market places, in the hospitals? Is it Ngozi Arabese operating that fighter jet? That fighter jet, does it belong to Biafra? Then who are the murderers?
BLA?
BLA, are they fighting in Abuja?
Or the BDF?
BDF, are they fighting in Lagos? Tell me,
Sending phones down from
tell me any state,
from overseas.
tell me any state that the Biafra Defense Force or Biafra Resistance Force are there than only in Biafra land. Then you come to drop bomb and you say they should not defend their land. Okay, if you know that the Biafra Defense Force or Biafra Armed Forces, let me put it like this. If you know that the Biafra Armed Forces will not be on the ground fighting, then stop attacking. If you stop attacking and you quit Biafra land, then Biafra Armed Forces will go back to barrack, to their barrack. Because you are attacking. That's why Biafra Armed Forces become a men of the jungle, living in forest because of you. Then what did Ngozi Arabese do that you tag him, you tag her murderer? Is it the one that buying arms for Boko Haram, Eshebai, Fulani Herdsmen, ISWAP? Is Ngozi Arabese giving them arms? After all, Ngozi Arabese, from her own NGO, still sponsoring the hungry people in the north, which is in the air. People spoke about it. Ngozi Arabese did not come and boast. The people talk what he's doing, even to help Nigeria through his own personal NGO. Then you want to tag a person like that, a murderer, go after her. Who will go after her? America will go after her. Who nation will go after her? Or you send the troops here to go after her? You bought, anyway, what they are doing is an external war. I could have said, you buy military hardware to fight external aggression. You are using it for your own people. Yes, they are on external aggression because they are fighting Biafrans. It's external aggression. Therefore, they have to use bomb. Even if it's possible, if they have nuclear weapons, they could use it. Biafra is a nation. Nigeria is a nation. They are on external aggression.
Well, we heard that people recently they traveled to the southeast and they said the checking points are still numerous. We see but some people they say they've been saying that the checkpoint there in the southeast is not as plenty as the way it was. But recently people said they see checkpoints there in the southeast.
I say, do you know that checkpoint in southeast is a lucrative business? The southeast people, the Biafrans, are money-making machine.
But is the money not? Are they not making it for the federal government to develop Nigeria?
Then you go, yeah, that's it. That is a national, Biafra national treasurer looters.
Are they using it for themselves or for the government?
They wear Nigerian government uniform in the name of Nigeria, mounting checking point, collecting money. So they know whether they're giving it to Nigeria or they put it in their pocket. But as Nigeria is good in borrowing, maybe when they collect, they'll give Nigeria to do the supplementary of their borrowing. You understand? But only God knows whom they're giving the money. I don't know what they're giving to Nigerian government. All I know, it was called Nigerian Army or Nigerian Armed Forces. Therefore, whatever they do there, reflect on Nigeria. Any crime or evil or danger that happened there, it reflects on Nigeria. If Nigeria are not benefiting from it, they could order the army, the presidency, or the chief commander-in-chief could order them evacuate the checkpoints. But maybe it's favoring them. Maybe, I don't know. I cannot say. Maybe it's part of the budget they are going to read for 2025. I don't know. It's only God knows. I cannot say. Because I don't see why that the checking point will be tarnishing the image of Nigeria, and Commander-in-Chief of Nigerian Armed Forces still leave them. Give them order. That's why you're Commander-in-Chief. Give them order to evacuate. They will evacuate. This one, it doesn't concern
but we didn't evacuate. We will not protect. Although it's the duty of the police to protect life and property, but the military too have a part to play there in the south.
Is the military to operate in Southeast? Are they civil law enforcement? They are military. If there be a checkpoint, it should be police or civil defense, not military, with the tanks, with the ferret car, with the heavy machine gun and light machine gun. The lowest gun they have there is AK-47. It's AK-47. This is why they look like, or they are army of occupation, occupying Biafra land. Because I don't think that if that part of portion of land or geographical location, I don't think that if it's Nigeria, part of Nigeria, all those checking points and the killing will be there. Look at North. Can you tell me the violence in North is 1,000,000% more than the violence in the East, if there's any violence in the East? In the West, there's peace. Both in the North and the West, do you see any checkpoints? Do you see checkpoints in Maiduguri, Zamfara, Sokoto, Katsina, Kano, Kaduna, even in Abuja? Do you see any checkpoints? But all the checkpoint is in Biafra land. To show you that this army of occupation, they came to occupy and they use the Biafrans as money-making machine. Do you know how much they go in a day when they're closing? All those checking points are their own toll gates. And then whenever you put toll gate, people will collect fee. But the only thing that annoys me, when they collect this fee of checkpoint, they don't issue people receipt. They don't issue Biafra receipt. You see why it become worse? If they have been issuing Biafra receipt, hey, we can mellow down that they are paying tax to Nigerian government, but no receipt. And if the receipt, there could be accountability. There's no accountability. So I will advise them, if they feel that they want Biafrans to be money-making machine for them, let them be issuing them receipt. They will know that it's official, it's not illegal. It's legal. Let them be issuing receipt. Or if they will not issue receipt, please, for God's sake, for the sake of humanity, for the sake of the sovereign state of Biafra, please, quit the checkpoint and let Biafra be free. And let there be peace, both in Nigeria and in Biafra. Let both Nigerian army and Biafra civilians remain alive. Remain alive. Nigerian soldiers are human beings. Biafra civilians are human beings. All of them have flesh and blood. Nobody that is good. Nigerian soldiers are dying there. They have wife, they have children, they have relations. They have lost those people. Biafrans are dying. Who will pay the compensation? Who keep the record? Every day you're bombing. When you bomb finish, you go to church. On Sundays you kill. Nobody will arrest you. Nobody will ask what you are doing. And those people are dying. And you come and tell me that there's peace in Nigeria. Nigeria is one. Because of Rabeze and someone Ekpa, nnamdikanu, are they the one using tanks to go to churches and destroying churches, destroying hospitals, dropping bombs, even in the forest? Even in the forest, don't bomb in the forest. Who are you dropping bombs for? In farmland, they drop bomb. This is how they did in the first Biafran war. This is how Gowon and his boys did. Even people in the forest, people in farmland, you drop bomb on them. You drop bomb on people on the farmland, cultivating to eat. You block them land, block them sea. Then they take their hoe to cultivate to eat. You still went there and drop bomb on them. This is how Nigeria normally do. But this time around, God will save us. God will save the Biafrans. And we will separate from Nigeria. Nigeria will be in peace. Biafra will be in peace. Only separation can solve this problem. Only separation. And Biafra have already separated. But what we are saying now, let Nigeria quit Biafra. That's all. Biafra have separated. The declaration of restoration of Biafra have made. Biafra have been restored. Let Nigeria quit.
Well, Biafra is still down Nigeria. We come to say, yesterday, on social media, we saw where, Yorubans were a kind of a serious argument where Yorubans, the southwest, they see that the eastern part is still part of Nigeria. There was a serious argument, but the easterners, the Biafrans were insisting that they were not no longer Nigeria, that Biafra had been restored.
If the southwest, the Yorubas,
because they say the governors
are crying that the Biafrans are part of Nigeria, why should their mama say Igbo should be killed? If you are part of Nigeria, why the Igbo should kill? That properties of Igbos should be seized. Igbo should go back to their place if we are one Nigeria. If I don't think that a reasonable Yoruba man will say that the Easterners are part of Nigeria. Up to this day, I don't see it. I don't see it. Eh? All those people that we say Nigeria, Biafra is still part of Nigeria now, are those Baba Sokpe, who don't follow things. Only the way my Baba tell me, Baba Sokpe, Fumi. Only them. But you cannot see a real Yoruba man that feel pains on his body. We still thinking that Biafra is still Nigeria. Biafra have gone. Biafra have gone. The only thing that remains, let international community give us recognition fully. Then Nigeria to quit Biafra. With their whatever that belongs to them, they should quit. That's the only thing that remains. That's the only thing that remains. And they had been Nigeria already quit. There could be peace. And their quitting will start from checking point. When they quit from checking point and go to barrack, from barrack, they start going home. But it don't be 18 of overnight. Before they will quit Biafran land to finish, but first of all, let them quit from checking point. Then let Biafran armed forces, which is Biafran police, take over. Then let them from barrack, whether naval barrack, whether military barrack, army barrack, whether air force barrack, police barrack, custom barrack, immigration barrack, civil defense barrack, even Kai and the last man barrack in Biafra land, let them quit. And it's not a thing of 6 months. Let us say the reality. It will take a year plus because they have so many barracks, even Fulani herdsmen barrack in the jungle. They have to quit. So they have so many barracks in different names. They have to quit. Internal revenue service barrack, they have to quit and need their internal revenue for Biafrans. Let them collect their internal revenue. They will quit. And this part of internal revenue is what made them to be thinking that Biafra should remain in Nigeria. They know how much they're collecting there. Ask the people in checkpoint. They know how much they're making in Biafra. So that's the only thing that remains.